Miss Dennis's group stand, you will also be doing addition today. Miss Westwood, if I could have you back in 20 minutes, is that okay? Thank you. The rest of us are staying here. Now, if they are learning about addition, what part of the learning do you think we will be focusing on today? Kapempwa? Multiplying. Well done. Multiplication. Are you looking, Kaula? Are you ready? Fantastic. So before we do it, you do need a key teaching point. And your key teaching point is... Oh, can Mr. Key Teaching Point give his key teaching point clearly, please, without interruption? Are you ready? Multiply means I want it lots of times. What was the key teaching point? What is he telling us? Ethan?
Multiply, you have to do lots of times.
Multiplying, you need to do it lots of times. Fantastic. Well done. And we'll be coming back to see if Mr. Key Teaching Point has to surrender his key, maybe to you, maybe to you. So, how many times is shown in this sum? How many times has he done it, Cerise?
3.
3 times. How many cups has he got each time?
6.
He's got 6 at the end. How many does he pick up each time, Kevin?
2.
2 cups, 3 times. So 2 times 3 does equal 6. Fantastic. I want you to stay on your bottoms. Turn to face the maths table. Okay, I'm going to need a volunteer. Let's have Lieben. Okay, Lieben, are you up for this? It's a bit of a challenge. Are you sure? Thumbs up. Is he doing the right thing? What's he doing, Jack, that's perfect? Standing still in the middle, waiting for an instruction. Okay, Lieben, do you remember? What do we have to do? We're doing it slowly. Okay? Lieben, start by putting 2 cups on the maths table. He's doing it slowly. How many is he picking up, Ryan?
2.
He's going to the maths table. Freeze!
Not 2.
How many has he got, Daniel?
2.
Are you sure? Let's count them and check. 1, 2. Let me see.
They're not 2, they're 1. 2.
Do the same thing lots of times. 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 Stop! How many times, Daniel, did he do it? This is time number 1, isn't it? This is time number 2?
Yes.
This is time number 3?
Yes.
This is time number 4?
Yeah, 4.
4 times. Lieben, look at the maths table and count the cups. Can you count them for me? Show me.
8.
How much is there here?
8 cups.
Fantastic. Give him a huge clap. Thank you very much. Let's have somebody else to come and be my helper who sat beautifully showing whole body listening. Let's have Kevin come out. Okay. Ready, Kevin? Remember, how have you got to do it? Slowly. Kevin, start by putting 1 cup on the maths table. Freeze! How many has he got, Ethan?
1.
Are you sure? Very, very sure? I like it a lot. Do the same thing lots of times. 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 Stop! This was time number 1, wasn't it? This was time number 2?
Yes.
Time number 3?
Yes.
Time number 4?
Yes.
Time number 5?
Yes.
Time number 6?
Yes.
How many times did he do it, Time?
6.
6. How many cups did he get each time, Ryan?
1.
1. 1 times 6. Look at the maths table and count the cups.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How much is there here?
6 cups.
6 cups. Fantastic. Well done. Okay, let's have somebody else who's going to clear the maths table for me. Let's have Jack come on out. Well done, Jack. Fantastic. Good boy. Fab. Okay, Jack, I'm getting a bit tired now. Okay? Gonna need a bit of help from my friend, the board. Is that okay? Yeah? Do you think you can follow instructions on the board? Okay. What does this mean then, Jamel? Question 1. Math story number 1. Are you ready? Freeze! How many did you get, Ryan?
3.
Why?
Because the board asked them to get 3.
The board asked him to get 3. Can we just check? 1, 2, 3. I like it a lot. Do the same thing lots of times. 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 Stop. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. You dropped one on the floor. This was time number 1, wasn't it? This was time number 2, wasn't it? This was time number 3, wasn't it? How many times did I ask for?
3.
3 times. So do you need that one?
No.
Good thinking. Are you ready, Kipembwa? Look at the maths table and count the cups. How much is there here?
9 cups.
9 cups. Fantastic. Give Jack a big clap. Okay. I write the maths story, you act the real story. So what have we got here? Read to me what it says. Read the maths story. 3 times 3 equals 9. Now read what it means. Salma, what did Jack do? 3 cups times 3 equals 9 cups. Fantastic. Let's have somebody else to come out. Let's have Ethan. Love the way Ryan's sitting. Line 6 are a bit stunning. This one, and then we'll have a brain break. Ethan, what does this mean?
Question 2.
Question 2, or math story number 2. Are you ready? How many is he getting? Hamza. Why?
Because the board said you have to get 2.
Freeze! How many has he got? Daniel?
2.
2. I like it a lot. Do the same thing lots of times. 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 Hang on a minute. Have a think. What does the math story say?
Get 4.
2 cups, how many times?
4.
4 times. Let's have a check. This is time number 1, isn't it?
Yes.
Time number 2?
Yes.
Time number 3?
Yes.
Time number 4?
Yes.
Put them back on the resources table. Fantastic. Ethan, are you ready? Good boy. Why is he doing this? This is a bit strange, isn't it? We haven't seen this yet. What's he doing? He's getting ready to get some more. He's getting ready to add. So let's go back over to the cups. He's waiting. How many do I want, Ethan?
1.
Brilliant. And he's back, waiting for the next instruction. Look at the maths table and count the cups.
9.
How much is there here?
9 cups.
Fantastic. Give him a clap. Love it. Well done. Okay, I write the math story, you act the real story. So, what does it say? What does the math story say?
2 times 4 and 1 equals 9.
Fantastic. What does it mean? Read it with me.
2
cups times 4 and 1 cup equals 9 cups. Fabulous. I'm very, very impressed. But you know what? I'm getting bored of all this writing. I want to do some of the acting. So I need somebody who's going to come up and be the teacher and write down exactly what I am acting out. But before we do that, can we stand up and have a quick break? Okay. Opposites, starting at your ears. Opposite, opposite shoulders, opposite, opposite elbows, opposite, opposite hips, opposite, opposite knees, opposite, opposite toes, opposite, opposite knees, opposite, opposite hips, opposite, opposite shoulders, opposite, opposite ears, opposite, opposite. 1, 3, 2, 1. Someone to come and do math story number 1. Let's have Hamza. Okay. Are you ready, Hamza? Are you sure? And you've got to be there helping him, Daniel. He might need a bit of help, okay, because he's looking the other way. Ready? What did he write that for? What's he written, Cowler?
2.
Why does he write 2?
Because the board says 2 and you put 2.
Fantastic. The board says 2. I put 2 down.